I'm a little young, but you don't know what I've become. Can't you see it in my face? The demon living in disguise, but you can see the killer in my eyes. I've got a look you can't escape. 僕の未来は誰にもわからない。皆は僕をダメなやつと思う。鏡を見つめる僕を見避けているけど中には大きな力希望がある。 Maybe I'm a little young, but you don't know what I've become. Can't you see it in my face? A demon living in disguise, but you can see the killer in my eyes. I've got a look you can't escape. You can't escape. No one understood the world that I was making. Look me in the face and tell me I was faking. Maybe I'm a little young, but you don't know what I've become. Can't you see it?
Key here from the Tubular channel, and as you guys can see, we're doing something new. We're doing something that we haven't done in basically we haven't done a live stream just like this ever. Like, this is the first ever live stream where we actually we actually do something new. And yeah, this is the day. Have our hot chocolate. How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing so far? It's me, Tubular P, from the Tubular Bros YouTube channel, as always. All right. How is everybody doing today? What is up, Dom? Welcome to the stream. Hello there. What's poppin', dude? We got 8 watching right off the bat. Let's go. Let's get it. Get it, bro. All right. Bob is cool. Welcome to the stream. Gamer trying stuff. What's poppin', dude? The Earth itself, he's writing some code right off the bat. We just started the stream. There's already code popping up. So yeah, guys, as you have read the title in the thumbnail of this stream, yes, we are learning to script in Roblox Studio today, which is going to be pretty interesting. I mean, something that I haven't really specified though is that I actually have a little bit of knowledge when it comes to you know, coding in Roblox, and I've actually studied a bit of scripting prior to the stream as well. We worked on games before, you know, KreekCraft, Obby, and there's a few more that we don't really talk about that much, and they're just canceled games. So yeah, you guys haven't seen those games before, and it's probably not gonna come out ever. And yeah, that's where our scripting knowledge kind of popped out. What's up, Bacon Edits? Sugan D's Nut. What's going on, dude? I'm sorry, Monkey Boy. How's it going? You're doing good? Hey yo. Hey, let's do it. Yo. White Chef, what's going on, dude? What's poppin'? Welcome to the stream. How did your exams went? It was pretty it's pretty good actually. It's pretty good. Like I got a perfect score in one subject, and then almost a perfect score in another subject, and you know, I'm not gonna lie, there are also subjects where I didn't really pass, pretty low scores stuff. You know, they're fine. Sugon, what's up chat? Play Legacy Peace right now. We're not gonna be playing in the stream. Oh, by the way, I've noticed a few changes on Roblox recently. First things first, the font on Roblox, it has changed. That's a pretty little thing, but I notice it. I notice it. This also, like there are okay, so basically there's this thing called recommended for you. I don't think this is here back then. I mean, if it is, it didn't look like. If it was, it didn't really look. Which is pretty good. Like, you can see, you know, AI generated games now. I mean, it's not really made by AI, you know what I'm saying? It's generated by AI, you know, the lists, everything generated by AI. Cool, because then you can see, you know, the games that you could potentially play without all the brain rot and everything, all the boring repetitive games, you know, the games that usually 8-year-olds play. Those don't typically pop up if you're like playing mature games, or, you know, games that typically unique. Underrated games also pop out, which is pretty cool. The Breakout, Prior Extinction, like those are things that you won't really see every day. YouTube video idea: talking about the things Roblox added. I mean, a lot of people are doing that already, so we're definitely not step into that. Okay, I'm just going to pop out a base. We're gonna get started. Doing some scripting today. All right. Oh. By the way, if you guys have checked the community post, if you guys checked our community post, we actually posted. Wait. We actually posted kind of an advertisement to my shop. I have a shop, guys. It's called Tubular P Asset. It is in the website called Clearly Dev, and basically, this is where I sell game assets as well as, you know, other stuff. Just so you guys know, if you're a Roblox developer yourself, you know, you can hop on and buy some stuff. Might go ahead and post some more assets in the future, but now those are what you. By the way, how do I sound? Also, no, never mind. Okay, how do we start? Okay, you know what? We're going to listen to a playlist by Smarty Dev. I think that's his name. Smarty RBX. Actually watch him. I think, based on what I remember, he had a Roblox scripting playlist. what's the recent one? Full guides to Roblox development, how to script on Roblox series. Okay, this is what we're gonna watch. All right, what we're gonna watch, and then basically we're gonna follow along and all that stuff. Easiest beginner guide to scripting. Hopefully this is like the full thing, you know. What are your opinions on LeBron James? My opinion on LeBron James. Well, I'm not really a big, you know, basketball player. I'm a basketball fan, I mean. And I don't really play basketball. So yeah, I don't really got any input about that. But I do know he's like a huge meme right now. And so yeah. Basketball. Script a Plague Inc. Roblox. I actually don't know what that is. Alright, this is what we're going to do, okay? We're gonna listen to this video while we're actually doing the scripts needed. Okay? We're gonna start right from the basics. We're gonna start right from the basics, right off the bat. You know, just you know, following along. How do we do this? Picture in picture. We're gonna put the video. Oh shoot, where'd it go? We'll put the video right here. Drag it there, and we're going to listen to it. This is exactly where we're going. You are my sunshine. I am very much aware. How's the funeral? What funeral? Guys, this is Did you know plugins can only be bought in a currency and no longer Robux? Wait, for real? That actually true. That actually true. Plugins. Plugins. Bro, what? Oh no. Oh no. It's actually true. Wait, $14. Wait. What? What the what? Okay, let's actually try to click this. Maybe it's just a sort of glitch or something. Bro, it's true. They actually, dude, they actually cost real money. Like I never saw the day that Roblox would actually do something like that. That is crazy. That is absolutely insane. How was the meth you injected into yourself last week? I have no idea what you're talking about. Save some hot chocolate for me. We'll see. Does not affect free plugins, by the way. Yeah. I can see that. That sucks though, because like not everybody can buy plugins with real money. Like not everybody can do that unless you're like an adult. Why is Adobe pop? All right, we're gonna get started, bro. That's me. Bro. Yeah, that's Hershey makes good stuff except the chocolate bars. I actually only taste. Uh-huh. Yeah, guarantee. Uh-huh. You already got this. Yep. Yeah, we're gonna build something. Okay. Hmm? Uh-huh. Pink part. Okay. This is what we're going to do. According to the boy, a smarty. So, to delete this. Size it up a bit, you know. Pink part. Scripts. Right. By the way, guys, this is so, you know, if you're just stopping by and don't really have anything, anything to do, perfect time to go in the chill stream and come chat. Laser, what's going on, dude? Welcome to the stream. And by the way, if you got any like tips or anything, you go ahead and hit me up. Variable. Okay, so let me just digest this. I've actually watched this video a bit before, but I kind of forgot, the fundamentals and everything. So we're just looking back. Scripting is hella confusing for me. There, post a video on Instagram and wait for the comments. What do you mean? Wait. Actually have an Instagram. Personal Instagram, but no, it's not for you guys. So, local is pertaining to the game itself. The variable is pink part, and then =, script dot parent. So the parent is the pink part, and then inside of that we got the script. So that's why we got local pink part =, script dot parent. Let's do local pink part =, script dot parent. Right. The first swear word ever recorded was farts. Fart isn't. I don't think so. Is it? Is it? Can you correct me if I'm wrong? Yeah. Yeah. So an instance. Yeah, let me take notes, because I'm a flippin' nerd. I'm a nerd guy. Variable is a what is a variable again? What's a variable again, bro? A variable is the definition. I need the definition. Okay. All right. Okay, a variable stores a value. it stores a value. Okay, and I believe the variable here is the pink part. That's not what I meant. Why do you want to compare sizes? What do you mean then? What do you mean then? Want to slap somebody's toes? Is that what you mean? Want to slap somebody's toes? That's kind of weird. Yeah, I don't know why you want it. What are you on about? Instance is any object in Roblox Studio. So I think this right here part, the pink part, call it instant. A part or G. Yeah, I already know what a string is. Code something funny. We'll do that. Nil. Nil means nothing. Kind of self-explanatory, but still noting that. Let's see. I think I've done that before. Part transparency equals triple. The variable is part, and then the parent, calling the parent the part, and then calling the game workspace to spawn the part. Is this one right here. Hacking and scripting are two different things. Instagram Reels comments show zero mercy. Script is like this, like a thing where there's hack. Nah. You can do no that. So low. Okay. Actually, let's actually change. Make it a bloop. Get a bloop. Blue blue part. Okay, now we're going to make a local local part equals instance. Okay, let's make a new part, new, and then parts dot parent equals game dot workspace. So if we run this, theoretically there's going to be new part. Where is it? Okay, let's see. Oh, actually there's part. Oh, case sensitive, so we gotta be careful with that. Cute ng pinaggagawa mo siya. Stop. How you doing? Okay, so here's the part right here. It just spawned. Okay, what he did was turn the transparency to 0.5. What I'm gonna do is actually make it so that it call it anchored. Yeah, that's script dot parent equals no script dot anchored, that word equals true tour. let's see if this works. And I'm gonna try some. And then the position. Where's the position? Bro. Where's the position at? Where is it at? That position. That's the position right there. Then part dot position. Oh dude, that works. Position equals think you need parentheses for that. Oh, actually no. That's this. What happened to your second monitor? It actually just randomly stopped working, and after that what's the point? After that we tried to put it again, try to set it up again, but still didn't work. Hey, Roblox lang pala. Oh no. Why did that not work? Okay. I'm not going to look at the video. Doesn't work. figure it out myself. What happened? Let's see. Let's see. Let's use the output. What's wrong? What went wrong? Anchored. Anchored, alright. It could be the wrong position though. It could be the wrong position. C frame. Oh, it's C frame, not the origin. Let's see. No. Try this. Script does not work. Why? Script does. What? Oh. You know what? I'm just gonna. Oh, actually, let's try doing. Wait. Let's try doing. Let's try putting. Let's try putting this here. That way, this thing right here can float. Not working. Oh, I think I know why. Oh, I'm so dumb. Parts. We gotta call the blue parts. Yeah, that right there. That is the variable. So you're 17 this year? Yes, I am. Ilias. Rendering is paused for debugging. What in the world? What in the world? That is the first time ever happened. What just happened? Hey, what? This is gonna be a long series. Could be a series. Why not? What is this? What is that? Does that play a part? Okay. Oh, it worked. Okay. Cool. Huh, I see. Okay. It spawned a part. Okay, let's make this part. Part dots. Oh, I see why it didn't work earlier. Okay. Frame equals oh, this is the AI. The AI. Blue parts. Size, but no. We're not going. Put the other part. So the part will be right here. Other part. Alright. See if that works. Try this. What happened in the past 4 months? It was good. I'm Pro Bread. What's going on, dude? Welcome to the stream. We're scripting right now. We're doing some scripting. Too much. Or int. What does that mean? I know int is an integer. What you guys making? I'm just you know, learning about the basics, relearning about the basics. I mean, 'cause I kind of forgot about it. Have haven't scripted any while now. I think I'm doing something wrong. I think I'm doing something wrong. Uh, curly brackets. No, 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 no. Try this. Hopefully, there's a the part that'll spawn here, maybe. No. Okay. Why did the blue part? I don't get it. Line 6. Something wrong. Okay. You know what? We're just going to listen to the video. Wasting a lot of time. Part.transparency. Parts dot transparency. No. Transparency equals 0. Don't even know what we're doing. We're just gripping. Didn't work. Why is that? For instance, a new parts part.parents equals game.work part.transparency. Just me or oh, it worked. 0.10 was just not that open. Okay. Let's try to change the color. Try to change the color. Not even gonna use it. Not even gonna use it. You have this part. If you and your GF were the last people on Earth, would you do that? Because do you have nothing else better to do? Nothing else better. Do you know how to make models in Blender? I used to. Actually made 2 models. 2 good models. Rest. Been half an hour since the stream had started. Intrusive thought. Why are most the people or most of the people here mods? They like joining the stream. Okay. Oh, actually, desktop audio isn't even open the whole time. Cool. Where's the video? Follow along.
Here, this is a 0.5 transparency part, and yeah, it's a pretty cool example of
it only felt like 22 minutes
how you can use scripting to make a part in Studio. All right, so now we're gonna stop the game. We're gonna go back. Congratulations on your first script. Now you can feel free to pause the video and mess around with any other properties you want with your script, but
let's
right now
mess around with the properties. He said it. Already 9:19 p.m. We started at 8:40, so it's not really that long. Yeah, not really that. Okay, so parts. No, actually, the blue. Let's get the blue part. Color blue. Blue. No, blue part Dot color. What's next? Color 3. No. Color. Brick color. No, not that. Color equals color 3. Yeah, color 3. And then brackets. What was the last thing you ate? I ate chicken. You know what that. Color 3. Let's actually let's say for example this is the blue. Copy that. And then paste this stuff. And what should happen that once we spawn, this thing would turn blue. The thing would turn blue. Which did not happen. For some reason. Line 3. Something happened at line 3. Blue part dot color dot from RGB. Okay. From RGB dot. Okay. I'm just using the guides built in. Kind of cheating. What was the last thing you did before started the stream? Oh, dude, it worked. It worked. Okay. Next thing I want to do is turn these into can collide. Okay. Make this can collide. Okay. Blue parts dot collision. No. The blue part equals can collide. No, am I doing something wrong? Pretty sure I'm doing something wrong. No. It's a property, right? Dot. Let's check. Collision. Collision group. No. Dot can collide. No. Bro, my typing going downhill equals group. Bro, why am I typing like this? Okay, small letter. How long would you survive without climbing? Dude, I'm gonna time you out. Are you in your 11th standard? Can you explain what that is? Can you explain to me what the 11th specifically? How did you become mod? How did you become mod? Given being. secrets. Equals false. And I wrote the wrong Boolean. True and false. True or false is they're both like they're both Boolean values. True and false are blue part dot false. So generated 2 parts. Okay, this one turned blue, and the other one just spawned.
Now we are going to be moving on to looking at Booleans, and Booleans are basically any checkbox in Studio is actually a Boolean. So as we can see here, cast shadow, which chooses whether or not this part has a shadow on it. As you can see when we turn.
So basically, let me explain to you guys. Okay. So like you said, the checkboxes are actually the Booleans. So check means true, and then uncheck means false. That's basically what that does, and that's also what I did right here, right there. That's the Boolean.
This off and on switches whether or not this has a shadow. Now actually what this means is cast shadow
What a good
equals true.
wallpaper.
So when it's,
oh dude, this is my wallpaper, this right here. Yeah, you can copy that. Actually you can't really do it. Got it on Pinterest. How do you even say that? 11th standard, as in how there's 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Oh, we don't call it the 11th standard here in the Philippines. I don't know. No, I'm grade 10. At the time we're streaming. At the time we're streaming. We're only 5 minutes in the video. That chat. You gone. I did. Have a good night.
check cast shadow is true. If
Bro
cast
got
shadow
every
is
staring
unchecked, I mean
animal
cast shadow
inside.
is false. That's just
In
how we
fact,
write it
do
in the
that.
script. So cast shadow true, cast shadow false. So if we go ahead and make a new line and write part.cast shadow
Exactly.
equals false, then this part will not have a
Exactly.
shadow. If we change this to true, it's gonna have a shadow. So I'm gonna leave that at false, and we can mess around with a few other properties. So part.anchored equals true. If we do that, then it means that this part
Oh.
is just
What I did earlier was hold up. Part dot parent equals anchored, which is wrong. And I corrected that by myself.
it's not going to move
pretty
or
good.
anything. We're going to be able to push it around with our character. You probably already know what anchored means. It's going to be stuck. Now, one other thing we can do in Studio is we can make the script wait. So we could actually go up and
Yeah, we're going to make this wait for 30 seconds. No. Let's make it 15 seconds. We're going to wait for 15 seconds in order for our other part to spawn in, which didn't work. Great. Why? Why? That's what happens if you don't.
in the
pay
script a
attention.
little bit, and we can make the script wait to make an anchor. So if we type in wait and then we type in a number, and by the way, numbers in Studio do not have quotation marks, but strings do. Strings
Yeah.
are the lines of text. Numbers do not have
Yeah,
quotation marks.
strings have the ones who have quotation marks. Debug. Still did not work. Great. What did I do wrong? What did I do? I put the weights in the thing. Let's try to wait 15 seconds. This works. Wait, it just happened. Good thing. You go up next. How's life go? Even though I see you every day. How come? Try to move. See if it still works. It does not. Huh? Okay, let's just.
So just remember that whenever writing a number down, you do not put quotation mark. Now, this is going to wait 5 seconds before it makes the part anchor. So all the other code before it is going to run, and then it's going to start waiting for 5 seconds, and it's going to anchor the part. Now, this is a little bit more advanced, but to make this a little bit better for your performance on your game, there's actually a new feature in Studio that's called task.wait, and you'll usually want to use task.wait if you aren't doing something that needs to be very exact. Wait makes it exact.
Yes, exact, but
forces the game to wait that long, but task.wait basically will let the game work at its own pace. It just might be like 0.001 seconds off. I usually tend to do task.wait when I can because it's just a little bit faster. All right, so now most tutorials would have actually shown you this first, but let's take a little bit more of a look at strings. So something that you can do with strings is print a line of words in the output, which is a window that spits out warnings, errors, and prints from your scripts and Roblox Studio.
one thing I want to kind of experiment is the weight. The weight. How come do you need to put 2 weights in order for... Actually, that doesn't make any sense. Okay. What I'm saying is how come this right here didn't turn transparent? Didn't turn transparent when I put this. I put this here. But when I put another one here, this works. Along with this. I don't really get that. Try putting it in there. Didn't work. Wait 15 seconds. Really not. Oh, I see. You gotta put the weights in here before all the properties. I see. Okay, let's double check. You know what? Doesn't matter.
Itself. So if we go ahead and type in print and then we add parentheses and then we can type in a quotation mark and this is going to make a string for us. So we can go ahead and write hi.
You know what? I'm gonna skip the string part because that's easy. It's easy. We're going to plus. Gonna do addition. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. Print 2 plus 2. It's gonna be. There should be something that says 4. Pretty sure it was the output. Didn't pop up though. Didn't pop. Oh, it did. So 4. I think what happened was it waited for 15 seconds. So I'm gonna put another wait here. And then just that way it'll be 4. Give me 4. Gotta be that. Four. Let's see. Is it really supposed to be the out? The performance, blah 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 blah. Whole stack. What is this? Tag.
And then when we run the game by going to test and then click on this drop down on play and go to run. Now in the output of Studio, after 5 seconds, the wait in our script, it's going to say hi down here. Now that's pretty cool. And we can also print numbers. So we go ahead and print 5.
That was pretty late. Do the task dot wait. Try that. Try that. Task dot. What's up, Bear Studio? What's up? Hello there. How's your day been going? So in 5 seconds there should be the number 4 right here. Console. Number 4. I was a bit late. Then it's just computer's fault. So let's just break this down. Long time no see, good right now. Long time no see, dude. Nice to know you're doing good. You're learning some scripting. You love scripting. No, nice to know. Oh, also, one thing I want to know is comments. How do you comment again? Automatically remembered how to. Okay, so dude, why is there code assist? Dude, this I don't think that's the comment. I think that's the code assist. Roblox comment. Roblox Studio. Double hyphen. Correct. What I did was correct. Actually, I used to do a lot of scripting as well, but kind of stopped. So we're relearning the basics. What we're doing today. You're gonna head out. Gamer trying stuff. Have a nice day, dude. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. To break this down, you like building and scripting. I like building more. Building. uh, I tried modeling as well. I modeled a few things, but I like building more. Stuck with. But now, trying scripting because code. We're gonna break this down. Okay, so this is the basics. We got the variables. And then right here we are introduced to what do you call this again? Instance. Yeah, instance. That's right there. I wasn't thinking. Okay, instance. Instant. And then also did Boolean. Then right here we did wait. Then here we did print. It's supposed to be the most basic one, but take it. They're working on this new Attack on Titan game. I'm trying to make it as good as my SCP game. Yeah, I see. Good luck with that, dude. That's great. I personally don't really have a project in mind. So let me just turn off code. Upgrade shorelines, Roblox controls, touch screen support, so a native code. Where is it? Was good. Pushing P. R, welcome to the stream. Or STXR. Welcome back. Dude. It's great. You guys know each other. Riz you up. You're gonna phantom text. What are those guys? Okay, let's
The same thing will happen. This will
continue.
work just fine. And by the way, you can put numbers in strings. So if we said high five, this is still gonna work. When you're writing a number by itself, you don't put quotation. Now, this is mostly useful for when you're trying to debug your code and you want to mark where certain things happen. So like after the part is anchored, we could put a print and we can say part anchored. Now, every time that happens, we'll know the part was anchored. And if we do not see this in there, we'll know that for some reason, maybe there.
Ooh. So in Roblox Studio, prints are used to notify you when stuff are happening. However, it doesn't really affect itself. Because, you know, I never really got one. But now I know. It tells you So saw my posts selling 2 models right now. Be fancy and pretty good code. Use that. Only 99. One year after brain rot began, still don't know what phantom tax means. I don't know what that means either. Let P cook. Where's Jay? Jay is died.
There is an error in our code. The part did not get
Prince
anchored,
equals
and that's what you're going to
making
be
a
using.
statement. You can say that. I mean, know that. I mean, prints are like the most basic thing, and I know that, but didn't really know the purpose. Not until now. Making statements or notify, letting action happening. Nico, it's been a while.
Print
Been a while
form of
since
the
I'm
studio.
here.
Now in scripts we can
What's
also do
going on,
math,
dude?
and we can print numbers and strings in the output, and we can also print math in the output. So we can
Oh, as
actually
well,
print
actually.
3 plus 3. Let's see what happens when
3
we
plus
press
3.
run on. So after 5 seconds,
Oh,
again,
you
after
can-
our wait is over,
do
it's going
that.
to do this. See, it prints out 6. 3 plus 3
6.
equals 6. So it's going to print that out. Now make sure you do not put quotations around this.
I did that. I print 2 plus 2, then we waited for.
Just like I said, because we are writing a normal number here, and this is not a string, and it's really important that you don't do that when you're doing math. We can do a lot of other things. We can also do multiplication, and to do that, we can just do a asterisk or a star, the little star. It should be on the 8 on your keyboard. You just hold shift and press 8, and you'll get that star. And if we do 3 times 3,
Actually, let me pull up Roblox, because kind of forgot there's a thing. Roblox Studio guide here. Finance. Assistant. Say it again. Scripting. The guide. Scripts. Scripting. Basic features. Scripting. Tutorials. Scripting. No. Guide. Guides. This is not what I remember. Isn't really what I remember. Don't think so. I remember more deep. Know if I can. Coding fundamentals here. Here it is. Okay. So let's variables and object. Object properties. Basic. The parent, this is child. I see. Functions and events. Something that we didn't talk. Lua arithmetic, because that's what you call the plus I was talking about. So it's actually times. So that's Should be 4 as well. Because 2 times 2. Seconds should pop up. 8. I want to know the arithmetic option though for arithmetic option. We actually got a document. Right, so nil. What? Evaluates as true only. What? That is not what I meant. Equal to. So these are the arithmetic right here. What I was looking for. But there's actually these as less than, equal to, greater than or equal to, less than, greater than, not equal. But this is what I want to know. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, exponentiation, modulus, unary, negation. Actually, something that I haven't really said before, that we study Python, programming language. It's cool, so that's why I know a bit of coding is arithmetic. Complete the sentence. Google. I'm googling. Bing. Binging. What's the background music? Background music. Actually, it's a playlist that we. It's a playlist of songs. Team beats. Team beats. Yeah, this right. Find them on. Phantom text is a meme from Kai Cenat where Phantom takes food. Compound assignment. Yeah, I don't really need those. I don't really... So, next lesson that we need to study here is functions and events. Okay, we're already done with scripting, object properties, parents, children. Now we're going to head over to functions and first word.
Well, it's gonna print out 9, and we can do this with the
math base. And keep listening.
division as well. So if we change the star to
We're
a
only 9
slash,
minutes
it'll
into the
divide
video.
3 by 3 and we'll get 1. And there's a lot of other cool things that you can do in math in Roblox Studio, but we're gonna get back to this later because now it is time to move up to the next level. This is where things start to get intense. Well, not really. Just focus and follow along. This is where you're gonna be able to start making things really work in your game, and it's gonna be incredible. So make sure you do not click off if you want to become a scripter. I see that mouse of yours inching closer and closer to the YouTube homepage. Don't do it. Don't give up on your dream of being able to script your own game, because this is well worth it, and it could end up being a real money maker for you later. Now we're on to function. Functions are exactly what they're called. So I'm gonna go ahead and just click
if you
Control
haven't yet
A.
liked this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Hit button. Everyone. Just button. Hit. A lot. You know, like the video.
Delete everything so we can start with a fresh slate. Basically, functions are just a piece of code that performs
Piece of code that can be called a function. A function is a piece of code that can be on. Used later. Returns a value. Used later. Value. What's up, Bourgeois Shamir? It's been a while, dude. What's going on? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the bro. Forgot about this.
a function. Now, and this is just an action in your code, and it's when you call upon it. So basically, we don't want to be sitting there just typing the same code over and over and over and over and over again. So that's where functions come in, and they have a few other cool things that you can use them for too. Functions can be called upon with just a single word, and it will run your entire function, your entire chunk of code that's in that function, without having to rewrite it or anything. All you need to do,
based on my understanding, you can do all this with just function.
is call the function by writing its name and parentheses after it. But there's also another neat feature. Let's say you put something into a function. Well, you can actually put a value into a function and it can spit something back. So you can have a function that adds 2 to whatever the first parameter or input in the function is, and it will go ahead and print that. So
Didn't really get it. Just I do notes, guys. For basically doing some learn, like how you do it on. Basically, value that input function used just variable.
it'll add 2 to whatever you put into it, and it'll print it. A parameter is basically just a variable when you're using it in your function. And
Inside
trust
the
me,
what?
this is going to be a lot more useful later, and it's also going to make a lot more sense when we
Okay, let me,
back. So you can have a function that adds 2.
I'm gonna let him.
To whatever the first parameter or input in the function is, and it will go ahead and print that. So it'll add 2 to whatever you put into it, and it'll print it. A parameter have a function that adds 2 to whatever the first parameter or input in the function is, and it will go ahead and print that. So it'll add 2 to whatever you put into it, and it'll print it. A parameter is basically just a variable. Variable when you're using it in your function. And trust me, this is going to be a lot more useful later, and it's also going to make a lot more sense when we actually write this out. So don't worry, we're going to make a function right now. So let's go ahead and write function add 10x. So x is going to be our first parameter. So that's what you're going to do when you call the function. You're going to input x, which will be whatever number that you want to add 10 to. We're going to go ahead and add parentheses to that and type x again. And we're going to click enter, and we're going to write local y equals x plus 10. So what this does is this makes a variable y which equals our input x plus 10. That's what it's doing.
We're only 11 minutes to the video and we're already function. put 10 makes a variable. Y variables equals are
So it's making a variable y, and it just adds 10 to that, and that's what y equals. Y is just x plus 10. Now what we're going to do is we're going to print y. So this is going to print x plus 10. So if x equals 2 and we add 10 to it, that's going to be 12. So what y is going to be is 12, and it's going to go ahead and print that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to return y. And what this will do is it's going to basically, wherever we call the function, we're going to
end results of like that. Turn is the end result. Returned
be able to use y later in the script. Also, what I did right here is I wrote a comment. You just put 2 dashes and you can write whatever you want, and the script is going to ignore this. So you can write notes, and it's pretty good practice to just write these wherever you can so you remember what things do in your script. And also it helps if someone else is going to be looking at your script later down the line. So functions are one of the most powerful things in scripting, and one of the most important pieces of functions is called scope. And you might have noticed so far that I write local before basically all variables. Well, you can also write local before functions, and if you don't write local, that means it's naturally a global function. So a global function can be
global so global
used throughout the whole script, no matter where it's written. A local function can only be used after it's been written, or if it's inside of a function, you can only use it inside that function. So we can only use y here inside this function unless we return it. And also, if we write a local function at the end of the script, for example, we can't use it anywhere at all. Same for functions. If you wrote a local function at the end of a script, you could not use that function anywhere unless you change it to a global function. So this is going to be a lot easier to understand after we practice a little bit more. So if we want to go ahead and use this function that we've written here, we can actually type in add 10, and we can type in right here.
Okay, let's actually apply this. Apply just okay. First things first, I wanna no, that's wrong. Here we go. Now what I'm gonna do, so local no function local function the value in that the value. Then all this. He didn't really explain that. Want him to explain.
Pieces of functions is called, what y is going to be is 12, and it's x equals 2. We're going to write this out. So don't worry, we're going to make a function right now. So let's go ahead and write function add 10x. So x is going to be our first parameter. So that's what you're going to do when you call the function. You're going to input x, which will be whatever number that you want to add 10 to. We're going to go ahead and add parentheses to that and type
Function. Coding of Okay, let's just read this instead of the video. If the Okay, functions are set instruction can be used many times in or used any also called method print built into most programming languages. Coders can also custom function code they don't feel like writing over and over. So what? Local function in the name of the function. Creating a function. Practice your first function. Print your favorite food and first set up the script going to use. Don't remember how. Execute name function. All functions help you remember what purpose. Function names camel cake with the first letter lowercase, next word. Actually read this before, but never didn't know that it was canon. Forgot. The first letter lowercase and what if there's next words of local function print food, then press enter. And auto actually make local function out. Repeated code here runs when the function code here I've been estimating while you've been pretty chill. You know. Local function print furry. Okay. Let's actually change. Make food. Make food. Instead of print food. No, actually, bake. To bake. And we're gonna print carrot cake. Now, the end use print food. Okay, so I think I got it. Okay. End use print bake bake print. No, okay, don't print it. Just mention it. Bake. So what that does, I think, you have a function. The function of baking the cake. Carrot cake. Turn. That's what it does. So there's one more thing we need to do before the function will work, and that's all to tell it to run. So this is how it will. Also, knowing is called a function. Functions won't run until they are called. To call a function, type the function's name, including the parenthesis. Like that. This right here, function, that's only gonna work if you call it. Welcome back. What? The function. Functions. Okay. There you go. There you guys go. Also, let me save this game right here. What do you call it? Scripting practice on stream. There you go. You're googling what do you say if you're using Microsoft Edge. Yeah. I'm not Gen Alpha, so I won't say it. Okay. Normally functions can only use the information they have coded within them. Sometimes, however, you might not know in advance what the information will be. Or you want to be able to reuse the same function with multiple pieces of similar information. For example, if you wanted to use a function to display the name of the person who finished an Obby course the fastest in giant letters to everyone, you won't know the name of the future winner until the race is finished. Ah. Parameters. Excuse me. Parameters are placeholders for information you want to give to the function at a later time. They're like windows that allow you to pass information to the function. Parameters. Is that already here? Okay. If you had two choices and you must choose one or you die. Jump off a building or die to the no-no with your GF. What's the no-no? Or die the no-no. What? Or do the no... The no-no. Okay. Use perimeters and events to set up a trap. Okay. If it's touching something, it might go off soon. In the Explorer, rename the part trap part. Okay, so this is going to make a wrap. We did a function, and then we're going to use information with perimeters. Okay. For perimeter name. Okay. We did a function. Okay. Object touch. Stroke. Actually copied it. Right? The local trap equals script.parent. Local function on touch. Object touched. And then print something touched trap. Something touched the trap. Let's not put the print, that's unnecessary. Destroy the touching object. Object touched. Okay. Then trap dot touched connect on touch. So what do you call that? We call that okay, so the trap is the variable, and then call the script through the trap, and then local function on touch object touched. So local, then function, then you, what do you call this? A property, I think. Whatever it is. What do you call that? Untouched. Object touched. Function. What is it called though? An event to call a function. Whenever the event happens. Bro, I forgot I was streaming. I was still streaming, dude. I thought I was just casually learning how to code. I'm actually streaming right now. That's crazy. That is absolutely crazy. Okay. So I'm gonna get rid of this. Okay. And then we're gonna make a new part. Okay. Okay. Make a new part. We're going to turn this red and maybe turn it neon. Go. Right. Kill brick. Now I'm gonna type in kill brick. Okay. Now we're good. Okay. Now we type in kill brick instead of crap. Kill brick equals script.parents local function untouched. Okay. You're telling the local function that the object is touched. And then when the object is touched, you destroy it. Search up one man. What? One man one. No, thank you. On a scale of 1 to 10, how active am I in your channel? Right now, you're a 9 or 10. Something above or below that range. Somewhere around that range, I would say. I would say that's the range. Object touch, destroy. Okay, let's try to test this out. And hopefully it works. Okay, so this is going to get the number 4. This can collide. It's going to turn transparent in a 15 seconds. There you go. Carrot cake. And then this is supposed to get rid of my legs, which it didn't do. It. Why? Oh, it's because it's not called kill brick here. On touch, object touch, blah 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 blah. And then here we connected the touched function, I think. No. Oh shoot. I don't even know. What's the idea for you for your next stream? For the next stream? Next stream I think would just be normal live stream where we play some games, because what just happened? What just happened? Yeah, it's just gonna be a normal live stream, because what I want to do is just discover underrated games around Roblox. 'Cause that's like one of the most fun things to do nowadays. End. Did it end? Local function, blah, 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 on touch, objects touch. Didn't print. Touch, destroy, kill brick. Dot touched. Let's try that again. Why was it doing that? chat is very lonely. Yeah, it's because we don't really do streams that like this that much, and so it's meant to not really be filled with people, you know. And you know, Roblox live streams during the evening don't really do that well, so that's something you should probably note. Trap. Why though? Why? Why is it doing that? Okay, that works. But how come does this local trap equals, let's rename trap, equals script dot parent local function on touch object touch destroy. Oh, I think it's destroying. It was destroying the base plate. That's why. Now, let's anchor this. Okay. Explain how Julius Caesar died. I forgot. I forgot. Oh, okay. I see. I see. Okay, now I made a kill brick. Okay, now let's actually change this to kill brick. Okay. And then along with the script itself. Okay. Kill brick. Kill brick. Alright. Test it out. Okay. Next lesson is parameters for buttons. Okay, create an area in your game where players will need a bridge. Create a part for the bridge, rename it bridge. Select the bridge in the properties menu. Change transparency to 0.5. Transparency 0 is visible and 1 is invisible. Okay, I know that. Check anchor. Uncheck can collide. Test the game. The bridge should be misty looking. And people shouldn't be able to walk on it just yet. Okay, we're going to end off with the multiple parameters and arguments. Actually, we're just gonna end it through this right here, the buttons, and we're not really gonna get into the if and else statements just yet in the stream. We're not gonna get into the loops just yet. I think the loops and conditionals, they're pretty self-explanatory and basic. Arrays though aren't really that basic. They're pretty complicated as I'm seeing right now. And organizing codes, algorithms, this is a bit complicated as well. We're just going to end off with this right here, parameters, practice, buttons. Before we end off, we're going to get this done. All right. How do you think our stream's gonna turn out when you turn 18 and have a job and stuff? You're gonna go now. Bye. All right, dude. Have a nice rest of your day, and thank you so much for stepping in. Thank you. So first of all, I don't think when I'm 18, I don't see myself streaming anymore. I honestly don't see myself streaming. know it'll be pretty controversial and sad thing to talk about for you guys, I guess. But I really don't see that happening. Yeah, I don't see that happening. So, like the documentation said, we're going to create a bridge. Okay, so we're just gonna do that really quickly. Okay, we'll do that really quickly. Right, really quickly. Okay, just make a simple bridge. Okay, and the instruction set. Wait, hold on. Let's make some stairs so that you can actually get in here. Just simple, okay? Simple stairs. I think this would do. Okay. I think this would do for the most part. Okay. Now, we need to change the transparency to 0.5. 8.5. Transparency to 3.5, and then can collide equals false. Okay. Now we name this bridge, and then we add a script. Right. Okay. Let's see. I'll create a new part named button. Okay, the button is red. Okay, let's actually do that right now. Okay. Just make a small button right here. Right here. Should be color red. Okay, let me save it. Okay. And then we're gonna name this button. Okay. Okay, anchor. Okay, it's anchored. I see that. Move the button so it's slightly floating and not touching anything. This is so to make sure touch event doesn't accidentally fire. Okay, let's actually make this float a bit. Yeah, just like that. So this time, instead of using touched event to create a trap, you use it to create a button that makes bridge usable. To make the bridge collidable, use the code bridge can collide equals true within a custom function that ruins when a player touches the button. You know everything else you need to complete the following steps. What up? Following steps. Insert a new script into the button named activate bridge. Okay. Script, then let's name it activate bridge. Okay, activate bridge. And then delete hello world, create variables for the bridge, the button touch, blah blah blah. Changes button color from red to green when touched. Changes bridge transparency to 0 when make it visible. Makes the bridge usable by using the code bridge.canCollide equals true, and connect the function to the button's touch event. Test the script, blah 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 blah. Troubleshooting your code. No code challenge. Okay, it's gonna copy paste this and see if this works. Let's actually see if this check if this insert the script into button, turns the button green when something touches. Okay, so let's just analyze this code since we didn't, you know, type it in ourselves. So local, it calls the local button, which is here. Let's actually turn this into lowercase because it's case sensitive. And then equals script.parent. Okay, script.parent, which is this right here, and this is the parent. Okay, local bridge, the bridge right here, workspace bridge, workspace, and then the bridge. Okay, local function. Okay, function, and the function is button pressed. Okay, I get that. Print button touched. Okay, this basically just tells us when the button is touched and ready to trigger. Okay, the button color will turn green. This is the color green apparently. Yeah, color green. And then bridge dot transparency is equals to 0. That will make it non-opaque, and the collision will be true. Okay, and so theoretically, if I play and press the button, this would work, which is true. That works. Okay, what if I press it again? It doesn't work. Okay, I'm gonna make it so that if I press it again, I'm just gonna try. All right, if I press it again, it'll go off. It'll go off. Please just experiment with that. Pressed again. Again. Okay. Again, and then the color should be red. There you go. Transparency 0. Oh no, 0.5. And then can collide is equals to false. Let's see if this works. Let's check. Actually check. A button is touched. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. No. Okay. I think this is it, guys. This is it. I actually had a bit of fun with this stream. Actually, this is a pretty fun stream to do, despite of low viewer counts and stuff like that. Like the stream wasn't that, that much alive as you would expect a normal stream to be. Like we have 5 watching right now, which is pretty low, but for me this is still an amazing stream. I learned a lot. I constructed several scripts today, not by myself though, which is still pretty good. Okay, I'm not going to downgrade what I just did, but yeah guys, I was stuttering. Okay, sorry. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the stream. If you did, make sure to go like the stream. If you haven't yet, go ahead and like the stream, and subscribe if you haven't yet so already. Okay, so yeah guys, that'll be it for the stream. I'll see you guys in the next stream or video or short, whatever. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye guys. Bye. YouTube.